guys, welcome back to another video. So I don't even remember where we left after what was the wedding. So basically in this video we're going to be doing like a lot of things. First thing, I'll be buying a phone. Have a nails appointment, plus I got some packages to box with you guys, plus we guys will be going out with babe. So it's another things that we have to do. I wanted to get my nail pierced, but the time was like I wasn't like really getting the time to go and do that because I have work and all of that. So I had to like phone for like another day. I also will be getting my hair done because my hair is a mess, y'all. My hair is a mess. And with getting my hair done, I will be like just putting the wig video in this video, so that's just not to keep you guys waiting long, so that you guys can see like the wig and all of that. I don't think I will be revealing the wig until the day when I'm going out. I'm not sure, it depends on the mood and the vibe that I'm in, but yeah, that's basically it. So I am going to show you guys the packages and what I'll be wearing this, I think it's Saturday, yeah, this Saturday, what I'll be wearing this Saturday going out. So my Shein package, and this contains what I'll be wearing, my outfit, what I'll be wearing this Saturday. So I bought something real sexy, real cute, because I have to look real like top tier, like I gotta look like a bad bitch. Really, I'm mad sweating right now, guys, because it's literally hot. And you know, like in Jamaica, it's really hot at summertime, so the heat is like up on me right now. So the theme is blue, so I bought a nice blue dress from Shein, and it's really sexy and cute. Like I really can't wait to just put my body down in this. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's this, and it also comes with the back is like open, and then the hips got like these rips in the hips, so you know it's gonna look real cute. I also bought a fashion glass because I don't know, from the time when I put the outfit in my head, I was like, this will look good with some nice bomb ass shades. So I ordered these pair of blue shades from Shein as well. So these are basically the shades to go with the dress. Also bought this white bag to go with the, I don't know if you guys can see it, probably because it's white and then the lightning and all of that, you guys won't be able to see it good, but it's really cute. I really do love it. I can't wait to pull this off. Like, one thing though about Shein order is very slow, because I ordered this package from like June and the package didn't arrive until like late. But I kind of understand why, because I'm thinking that Shein ships from China, so you know, if you're shipping from China, it's gonna take a while, because I'm in Jamaica, and if they're shipping from China, you know, we have to pass through China customs, and then America customs, and then before it can reach Jamaica. So I kind of understand why, but I do have an Amazon package that's supposed to come. But fun fact is that these people, when my package went to get collected yesterday, only one package came, so I'm gonna have to get the other package tomorrow, because I don't understand like and I was really dead ass looking out for that package like today, because it's an EOS lotion. Like, if you don't have an EOS lotion, I'm telling you, you're not living your feminine era, none at all. Because why you don't got an EOS lotion? Like that's the top feminine girly lotion that is like kicking off. And I had to order one from Amazon, and like that, I ordered that from Amazon, and that reached Jamaica like in space of 6 days, and like the Shein package took like 2 weeks to get here. And I'm like, you know what, one at a time I forgot on the portal to look to see if they had shipped the package to a different location, because my package took so long to get here, and I was like getting real pissed and all of that. Yeah, so as I was saying, I do not have an intro right now because the intro that I made for the channel, I don't know what I was doing and I deleted the video. So right now I do not have an intro for my videos. So, and also I feel like I wanted a different intro. As I said, I'm a sucker for intro. Like, I love a bum ass intro. I love an intro that's very detailed and like pleasing to me. So I feel like I'm gonna like make a different one so it really doesn't affect me. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video because I feel like I've been doing too much talking, and as I say, I'm gonna like long intros. Like, the worst thing to do is to start your videos with a whole bunch of talking. Like, that's a big turn off for me, because me not still watch nobody with just still talk. Like, I want to see things, you know. So I'm gonna like get into the video now so you guys can go and watch that. We are having Kentucky today, the bucket. So it's a 9-piece too, guys. It's a 9-piece. Let me show you guys what's going on. Hope you guys can see. I guess this is the barbecue on top. With corn right here. And with a bottle of a large thing. So that's basically it. Hey guys, make sure you go and check out my business page on Instagram at $1,000_palace. We post the best and latest in nail styles and trend. So for all my girlies who are into nails and are exposed of nails, go and follow and check us out today. Back to the video. I wanted to do it Friday we're gone. Alright guys, so it's actually 7 in the morning and we're going to get breakfast at Wendy's because so we had KFC last night and KFC was so packed. We had to like go to New Kingston and get something. We had to go to New Kingston, the KFC in New Kingston. So when we went there, it was extremely packed as well. So I didn't want any more KFC this morning because we had that last night. So we're going to go to Wendy's to have some breakfast. So I'll be showing you guys that. And I'm not really a big fan of burger, and I lately have been like discovering that with myself that I'm not really a fan of burger, but I'll eat it. So yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then later I'm going to like get dressed because we're going out. We're going out. I'm not sure what time we're going to leave, but I'm going to show you guys my outfit that I'll be wearing. Well, I showed you guys that already still, but I'm going to show you guys again so that you guys can get like the vision, like get a good look of it and see what it really looks like. I can't wait to put it on to really like show you guys the vision. You guys after Wendy's. So this is what the outfit looks like when it's like spread it out on the bed. So as I said before, the dress is from Shein, the bag is from Shein, the shades are from Shein, and this is just a regular jewelry. This is a necklace, and the shoes is like from a regular store that I bought, and it has like this thing, this gold, no, this see-through clear bottom. Yeah, so that's basically the outfit prep. So when I put this on, y'all will see what the vision is looking like. So this is the fit, from head to toe. Ooh. And let me show you guys with the, it has the rips in the it has rips in the hips and then the back cut. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. She look hella great. And let me show you guys the fit with the let me show you guys the fit with the shades. With the shades, y'all. Bought these guineas across the road. I wanted guineas so bad since summer started, and I'm just hoping that these guineas do justice, because some of them very sour and already and just full of stain. But I think this is a win. I think this bunch is a win, y'all. So I saw a man across the street. He had so much of them, so I had to shoot and get me some, because guinea is my favorite out of every fruit, guinea and drumplums. So I just came home, and guess who is here? My Amazon package. So this is it, y'all. Please get you one of this. If you're a girly girl, a female, and you're like feminine, please get you one of this, because this flavor is one of the best flavor. I think this flavor is the best out of all. The raspberry, the pomegranate raspberry, it's very good. I love the smell. So y'all know how this go right now. I'm about to take me a shower because I normally do that, expecting like a bag, because since it's like just a lotion, I never know some would have put it in a whole box. But yeah, Amazon did that.